Hello, today you're going to need your historic fiction book that you checked out yesterday. If you were gone, you need to go down and talk to Miss Lindstrom about getting a book. This book will have to be okayed with me when I return on Monday. We're not going to do this journal entry, so you don't need any of that. You have a document called Historical Fiction Overview. It looks like this. This isn't that important, but it'll show you kind of what we're doing with this unit and give you an idea of when things will be due. This document, I also believe you have, this is subject to change. These are just some general dates, but there will be changes with that. The most important document you have today is called Beginning Research. This is in classwork. Go to classwork, look under historical fiction. This is what you're going to be filling out today. You also have a document called Beginning Research Example. This gives you examples. So what you have to do is write down the title of your book and the author. Then you need to go through the book. It says first few pages. You might have to go through more than that. Some of you may even need to Google, but I need what the time period is. So like Revolutionary War, I need a year or at least a decade. I also need to know where your novel takes place. I need more than a country. Can you get me a town? Can you get me a state? Can you make it more specific? Then you're going to do research. You're going to find 5 things that happened in that location during that time period, and you're going to do a 10-word summary for each. And then make sure at the end, I did not do this, but make sure you link your source. Where did you get that information from? So you are going to be filling out this document from your book. The most important thing at the bottom here are some links. These are the links I want you to use for research. I do not want you using Wikipedia or Google. So do not copy and paste from the article you read. You have to have only the important events. Think about reading it, thinking it through, reviewing it, summarizing it. That's where the 10 words come from. You must use these websites. No Google, no Wikipedia. If you get done with this document and the research, you should spend the rest of the time reading your book.